Why might you want to use lightning tendrils in 3.17? Well, there's three main reasons. First, they buffed the base damage of the skill. The effectiveness of added damage has went from 65% to 100%, and the average base damage has gone from 370 to 553. That means that the normal pulses of lightning tendrils are dealing roughly 50% more damage. Secondly, they also buffed the stronger pulses of lightning tendrils. Stronger pulses occur every 1 in 4 hits. Presently, stronger pulses deal 100% more damage, but in the next patch they will be dealing 200% more damage. That means that presently, your actual average damage is 25% more than what it says on POB, which only takes into account normal pulses. Finally, the phantasmal quality of the lightning tendril skill has been massively buffed. Presently, any amount of phantasmal quality on lightning tendrils will have less damage than a 0 quality lightning tendrils. This is not the case in 3.17. In 3.17, the phantasmal quality will provide an average of 20.4% more damage as compared to a 0% quality lightning tendrils. In my current build, the 20% superior quality is providing about 2% more damage. Taking that away still means that upgrading to a phantasmal quality will provide as much as 18% more damage. To recap, you are getting 50% more damage from the base damage increases, you are getting 20% more damage from the buff to stronger pulses, and you are getting about 18% more damage if you upgrade to a phantasmal quality lightning tendrils. All of these buffs stack multiplicatively, and when you do that, you'll find that you're getting 112% more damage in 3.17. Even if you disregard the changes to phantasmal lightning tendrils, you will still get over 80% more damage in 3.17.